Okay guys, today I have a 2002 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you how to remove this overhead console. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open this. There's going to be two Phillips screws in here you're going to remove. Okay, next we're going to shut this. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to take this part off right here, this little glass cover. So once you take that off, there's going to be two more Phillips screws that you need to remove right here, and then another one right there. Okay, once you're done with that, you're just going to pull it down and unhook it right here. And that's how you do it.